Hey guys, welcome to question MM386 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So, this question says an app developer has created a survey to find out the proportion of teenagers who post regularly on Facebook. The margin of error for the survey is 3% in a confidence interval of K% for the sample proportion of teenagers who post regularly on Facebook. It is found that 73 out of the 100 teenagers surveyed do post regularly on Facebook, and we need to find the value of K, which is the percentage level of our confidence. Awesome. So, we know that our goal is to find out what our level of confidence is, okay? And our margin of error, as we should kind of know, is Z root P 1 minus P hat over N. And our Z value is what tells us the percentage confidence level, right? So when we have a 95% confidence interval, we know that Z is equal to 1.96. This time we're going to get a bit of a different Z value, and we're going to have to find our confidence interval based on that, or our confidence level, I should say. So we know that our margin of error is 3%, which means that 0.03 is our margin of error. We don't know what our Z value is, that's what we're trying to find. We know that our proportion of teenagers is 73 and 100, so 0.73, outside of 1 minus 0.73. And we know that our N value is the number of people surveyed, and we know that 100 people were surveyed. Using our CAS, we can say that 0.03 is the same as Z time, or is equal to Z times 0.0444. And then from here we can say that Z is equal to 0.68. Awesome. So we know that our Z value is 0.68. Now what this means is, on a normal distribution scale or graph, that means that our Z value here is 0.68 and our Z value here is negative 0.68, and X or K% of the data lies between these two values. Alright? So to figure out the percentage or the area, we go into our calculator, into normal CDF, and it's going to ask us for the lower, upper, standard, average or mean, and standard deviation. Okay, so our lower is negative 0.68, our upper is 0.68, our mean is 0, so there's a 0 in between here, and our standard deviation is 1. So we always have to use our standard normal distribution, which is mean of 0, standard deviation of 1, in order to find the confidence level. So if you put this into your calculator, it will spit out K equals 0.5008, which means that it's closest to 50%, which means therefore K is closest to 50, right? Which is the answer E. So E is our answer. K is closest to 50. Don't say 0.5 because we're talking about the percentage, right? So it's K%. So we're not 0.5%, we're 50%. So that's it for MM386, guys. If you have any questions about this margin of error stuff or any of this normal stuff, finding this Z value, just hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.